Welcome to Asgard's latest how-to video and our how-to features for Gabriel Secure Communication Suite. In this video, we're going to be going over the Gateway service. The Gateway service is a paid feature and you may not see it. And if you are curious as to what it is, just please email us and let us know that you want to get it activated into your account. So normally when you boot up Gabriel, you only see the text, the email, and the file share icons at the top. Well, this fourth icon on the right is the Secure Gateway. Clicking on that will bring up any services that you have bookmarked or hosted on your local machine. Bookmarked services are ones that are not locally hosted, and the gear icon indicates locally hosted services. In order to connect to these, sometimes a few steps need to be taken. Like, for example, if it is a website, it will automatically show open, and you can just click that and open it. This right here will connect to our internal Wikipedia page hosted in our data center. And if you know anything about networking, you'll immediately notice that its web address is itself 127.0.0.1, which is a basic IP for internal use for a computer, which is already masking this web traffic by making it think it's going to itself. And if you drill into it, you start seeing more standard web page looking things, but it still has the 127.0.0.1 in front of it. That is just one thing that we can secure with the Gateway service. Another thing that we can secure is a SQL connection. For example, we have this one set up here, and we will connect to it using MySQL Workbench. And I already have it set up a few times here, but I will go through it from step 1 again. So we'll do Asgard MSP2, because we already got one named Asgard MSP. You will use yourself as your host name. And the port number you will need to change to the port number that's been assigned in Gabriel. And we can see just the edge of it here. This MySQL is 3701 forwarding to 3703. So we'll put in 3701 and then your username and your password as needed. Click OK. And then just double clicking that will open up the connection to it. And now you can see that we are inside our SQL database. We haven't put a whole lot of information in here, but we did put in a basic users table so that way you could see the information that you can put in here, and it's a SQL database, so you can put things in and you can edit them on the fly. Here's, we'll put number 7 in here. We'll name him Jeff, and we'll make him 25. He'll be the oldest of the company. Give him 1231234 for a phone number, and jeff@billy.com. So you can put in the information and then just apply, and now that information is stored in the database. This is really just a use case to show that you can connect to a SQL database through the Gabriel Secure. It just uses the port forwarding that it comes with the Secure Gateway connections. Now, moving on to the final connection showcase that I've got here is we set up an RDP session here, but we're going to go ahead and delete this and walk through starting it over. So you'll click New Gateway Service, and you have 4 options as to where what you connect to is located. It's either on your computer, on the LAN, on another one of your Gabriel devices, or on a friend's Gabriel device. Quick note, friends' Gabriel devices, you have to be on their permissions before you can see it. So let's say you want to set up this computer for RDP. So you'll click this computer, and you'll put in the port number for RDP, 3389. You put in a new port number for Gabriel to be utilizing, and they recommend something higher than 3701, and I've already got a few of those in use, so we'll do 3704. Clicking Next, add in a name, we'll do RDP, and we'll hit Next. This is your chance to review the information. Just hit Yes, Save, if it all looks correct, and now it will be showing up here. Now, you can't just click Open and have this one show up because this is an RDP connection. It won't do anything for a website. What you can do is now when you go to another one of your Gabriel devices, you can click New Gateway Service and click on one of my Gabriel devices, and it will automatically search for your services. So you'll find the one that you've named RDP, click it, and then you just open up RDP, connect to yourself, 127.0.0.1 at the port number, and you can connect. And that goes over our how-to Gabriel Secure Gateway services. If you have any questions or are concerned by any of these connection methods, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you get set up. Thank you for your time.